Okay, here is the review worksheet number 7. We are stretching in our rational function muscle. Make sure my pen is on. That's right, we are figuring out how to simplify rational expressions. Okay, you're going to see this a lot in your next math classes. But remember, when you're simplifying, the first thing you have to do is factor, factor, factor. What's factoring right here? What adds up to -10 but multiplies to 25? Well, it's going to be x minus 5 twice. So I can just write it like that. And then what's the GCF of the bottom right here? The GCF is 2x. If I divide a 2x into each term, what's left over is a x minus 5. Aha! One of those will cancel, and I'm left with an x minus 5 over 2x. What's the excluded values? Well, the excluded values are any time the denominator can be 0. The denominator can be 0 from that one or that one. Let's use the zero product property. And what are the zeros then? I can't have x be 0, and I can't have x be 5. Those are my excluded values. You can see from the asterisks here when I printed this off on computer rather than on a printer that it tells you what the answers are. So there's the answer for that one. Let's do one more problem. Yes, just like that. Okay, simplify each expression. What is the operation we're doing here? We are multiplying. This means do different things. You still want to factor as much as you can because it's going to make your work easier. Let's see, which piece of these expressions can I factor? It's this one. That's going to have a GCF of 4. So let me write the whole thing. 5a squared over 8 times, let's pull out the GCF of 4. What's left over? It's going to be a minus 2. Okay, and 5a squared. Oh, that's silly. Why did they do that? It just looks like we're canceling stuff out. That cancels with that. And what else cancels? This cancels one time with that. What's left over is a 2. So it looks like we'll have 5 over 2. And, oh no, not the 5. That cancels out. It's just going to be a minus 2 over 2, which is what that answer is. Oh, that's easy. All right, that's it for this video.